Oh, the tornado watch got issued.
Tornado Weather Service has issued
I saw it.
Tornado Watch number 394, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield and Litchfield.
Oh no.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. Large hail and damaging winds are forecast out of the in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's not good. We got tornado watch for Litchfield and Fairfield.
Here we go! Here we go! Thunderstorm warning! First warning of the night! Here we go!
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for until 6 p.m. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. A severe thunderstorm was located over New Zealand, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Oh no.
Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be here. Norwalk around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westport around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut. On the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement.
Wow. Now it's starting to get real down there. Oh, whoa. What could this be? Whoa! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Whoa! Tornado warning!
South Central Fairfield County until 6 p.m. At 5:33 p.m. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for South Central Fairfield at 20 miles per hour until hazard. Tornado and ping pong ball size. 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time indicated severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over New Zealand, moving out at 20 miles per hour. Mobile homes will be hazards to the tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Windows flying debris is likely. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Walk around at 5:40 p.m.
Whoa!
Hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Norwalk around 5:40 p.m. Westport around 5:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, another one.
Heavy rainfall may have this tornado.
Whoa.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, southern Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 5:35 p.m. 40 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Glastonbury, West Tolland counties. In Connecticut, Hartford, Tolland, and Windham.
Oh my gosh. This crap is getting really real.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern Fairfield County. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Norwalk, moving east at 25.
Thank you. Whoa, what? What's coming along? Special Marine warning.
New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 6:30 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles north of Norwalk Islands to near Long Neck Point, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Norwalk Islands around 5:50 p.m. Petfield Reef and Bridgeport around 6 p.m. Mouth of the Housatonic River around 6:05 p.m. Stratford Shoal around 6:15 p.m. Tarrant Point around 6:30 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
Wow. Yeah, so, yeah. The insanity is just getting real, and I caught another FM alert. How enjoyable. Here we go. Thank you.
Southwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, southern Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bolton or near Manchester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Glastonbury, Vernon, Mansfield, Wyndham, Willimantic, Tolland, Coventry, Hebron, Lebanon, Wilmington, Columbia, Bolton, Ashford, Andover, Champlin, Devon, Eastern, Scotland, and Franklin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, Tolland, and Wyndham. The current time is 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 394, effective until midnight Eastern Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and Litchfield. Remember, a tornado watch means development of.
Wow.
Warning for southwestern Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing, especially around the New Britain, Connecticut region. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Meriden, Bristol, East Hartford, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Wethersfield, Farmington, Walcott, Colchester, East Hampton, Berlin, Rocky Hill, Plainville, Rocky Hill, Avon, Plainville. Flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, and Tolland. Find alternate routes. Those near small streams need to get the National Weather Service up in New York has issued a small flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, and Tolland. At 6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bedford.
At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bedford or near Mount Kisco, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Greenwich around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stanford around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Canaan and Darien around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Norwalk around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westport around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Albany issued a small stream flood advisory for Litchfield County in northern Connecticut.